Hi there everyone, Dr. Beth Westy here. I wanted to pop on and talk about the main causes of belly fat. I've had this conversation, I feel like 8 times in the past day alone, talking about why women get belly fat, why is it stuck in one certain spot, why is it like right around the waist, you get this tire, right? And sometimes it's like just below your navel and it just hangs out there. What is the deal? Well, here's the deal. The female body is designed to store fat. And that is a protective mechanism, and that is the best place for women to store it in a protective way. Great, so great. Can it not though, right? Can it not? But it does. It does. So when we're looking at why does this happen, right? And you might be like, I'm eating super clean, I'm working out a ton, why is it not budging? Here's some things to look through, right? And these are things that we work on in the 12-week challenge. So if you are not on the wait list, I'm going to put this link in here right now. Waitlist registration for the 12-week is tomorrow. Tomorrow registration. There we go. So you have to be on the wait list to get the registration link. If you are not on the wait list, get on the wait list. There we go. It usually fills in about 24 hours. And we start in January 4th. So we go through all of these things. And again, customize it to your system specifically. So, reasons for belly fat: stress, right? And you can be thinking, yeah, 2020 has been stressful, but I'm doing okay, all these things, right? It's like that extra thing on top of it, right? Have you had a shift or change in your relationship, right? This can be with a significant other, this can be with, friends, family, anything. That extra stress will cause your body to store fat. And where? Oh, right in the belly. Yep. Yes. Toxins. This can be, are you exposed to mold? Are there chemicals where you're at, right? Is your body not able to flush any of this stuff out? Now, again, people say, but your body detoxes on its own. Yes, it does. But when your system is under stress, it does not do this function properly. Why? Because stress can nutrient deplete you. Stress causes your systems not to function properly, and we'll talk about inflammation here in just a minute. But this causes your body's ability to naturally detox to decrease. Like, it just doesn't do what it's supposed to do. And oftentimes it needs a little help with that. And those are things that we work on in the 12-week challenge. Bad sleep, like not getting a good sleep, not getting restful sleep, not being able to fall asleep, stay asleep, wake up feeling rested, refreshed. If you're like, I don't even know what that looks like, or I've never experienced that, then that's going to be an issue. If you are not sleeping, resting, recovering at night, your body's going to be storing fat as a protective mechanism. Estrogen dominance. Now, this is something that we go through and talk a lot about in the 12-week, meaning wanting to help your hormones balance, regulate, and your system to function a lot better. This specifically will cause weight loss resistance. It's fun, right? I know. And then inflammation. Inflammation is just, it's like putting gas on a fire in terms of like an issue and making it worse. Just awful. Inflammation slows down all these processes. It stops these things from happening, and it wrecks your metabolism, all this stuff, right? Inflammation is bad. Stress is bad. I feel like that's all I'm telling you right now. And you're like, yeah, duh, I know. Now, here's the kicker, right? Is that you might be thinking, well, okay, yeah, I guess I do have some stress, and maybe I don't want to admit that this has been going on for this long, but it has. Okay, now you're going to add that. Do I have toxins? I don't know. I mean, maybe I do. Maybe that's a factor. So, okay, maybe there's some of that. But yeah, I have not been sleeping well. I've had all this work stress. It's really been disruptive. Yep. Yeah, my hormones are definitely off. I'm not sure if it's the estrogen dominance, but it's definitely not right. And then inflammation. Yeah, I'm sore. I'm tired. I'm achy. I don't feel right. I get puffy. So there's something. Yep. Oh, yeah. Yeah, then you have all these things contributing. So usually what we do is we'll look for this thing. Let me just eat more kale. You can't eat enough kale just to target this, right? You can't outrun this on a treadmill, right? This is really getting your body to function better, really focusing on what your system needs to work at its best. And that way, these systems become healthier, these issues aren't a factor anymore, and then losing that belly fat is a side effect. It's a byproduct of everything functioning better. That's the best way to work with the female body. And again, these are things we do in the 12-week challenge. If you have questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Again, registration is tomorrow. So make sure you get on that wait list. If you have other questions, need other things answered, don't hesitate. Other resources I have for you are my book, The Female Fat Solution. This is on Amazon. And then The Female Menopause Solution, also on Amazon. Great resources for you where I talk about this stuff and more in here. I also have my podcast, which is called The Female Health Solution. And then my YouTube channel is called Dr. Beth Westy, where you can subscribe to stay updated on all the videos I do. So that's what I got for you guys tonight. Please let me know if you have any questions or need any other help. Otherwise, I will see you later and have a great night.